Hey, what's happening, y'all? Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper control module on this 98 S10 Blazer. This is the same thing for the little pickups, but the problem that I was having was after you'd shut the wipers off, they would continue to cycle, usually 6 to 8 times and then shut off, and then every now and then just randomly they'd cycle once or twice just driving down the road. So usually this wiper control module is the culprit. So that's what we're going to do today, and let's get into it. All right, so the wiper control module is actually located under this black plastic cover that is on the actual wiper motor itself. So, and to gain access to it, there's 3 screws. You've got one right down here, one right here, and then one right here, and they're all a Torx bit, and it is a T20. I'll show you what I got. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a T20. So anyway, so all you got to do is take those 3 screws out, and then the module is right underneath. Okay, I had to change angles here a little bit. So this is, if I remember correctly, this is designed to where this little cover has a little cutout for this top bolt and this bottom bolt. Because this bottom bolt's kind of a pain in the butt to get to, because you've got your cruise control cable sitting right here in the way. So get my flashlight in a better spot. But I think it's designed, if I remember right, where you can just take this screw out just a couple of turns and just leave it there. And the other two, they're not too bad to take out. So I'm gonna see if I can't get in here and at least break it loose. It's just hard to see. There we go. Alright, so that's broke loose. That one's already loose, I guess. Yeah, these are loose. So then I'm just going to take the bit in my hand because it's going to be easier to deal with. Oop, almost dropped it. Alright, there's one of them. We'll set it right up there so it'll fall and get lost. Just like that, dadgummit. Okay, that's fine. I got more. Let's see if I can't get this last one to spin out just a little bit. There it is. And then you can see the actual wiper control module is located right in here. Oh, I did forget to unplug it, so you got to unplug it right here. It's got this little lift tab. See, it lifts. And if you notice in this connector, usually there'll be like this little clear goop looking stuff. Don't clean that stuff off, just leave it alone. That stuff helps to prevent corrosion on your pins. So, all right, I'll be right back. Okay, I had to go underneath the vehicle, go find that screw that I dropped, and I found it. So, and I put them in a better spot. So anyway, we're just going to get this out of here. There's the old one. So anyway, now I'm going to take a look at, I don't know what you call it, the little wheel that's in here on the wiper motor, but that's where all the little wheel where your contacts ride against. So anyway, I'm going to take a look at it real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, if you want to know what it looks like in here, that's it right there. So those 2 pins on the wiper control module, those 2 contact pins, you can see where they ride on this wheel right here. And as this thing goes around and around, if I remember correctly, it loses contact right here, and that's how it knows where the wipers are at. So whenever they're cycling. So all right, something I forgot to add is before you go put the new one in, I'm going to take a little piece of little Scotch-Brite pad, or you can use, heck, you probably just use a rag, it'd be fine. But I'm going to take a little piece of the Scotch-Brite pad, and I'm going to go around and just kind of clean these up a little bit where those two contacts right against, so that way it's got a nice clean surface in case there's any bad spots in here that'll give it a bad reading, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. So anyway, so I'm going to clean this up real quick. Alright, well, there, cleaned it up, and it's kind of hard to hold this camera and do this, but yeah, it looks a little bit better. You're not going to be able to get all of it off, but some is better than nothing. So alright, here's the new one. Little contacts are all nice and new and clean and everything. So alright, let's get her back in there. Oop, wrong way. Yeah, by the way, your the side of the contacts goes towards the wheel, like this. Alright. Then the new one came with a new cover, but whatever, I don't care. It's all the same. Just going to reuse the old one. Alright. Cover is on. See if I can get these little screws started without... Whoop, almost dropped it. Damn it. Well, get my little bit here. Alright, excellent. I think. Let's see what's going on here. Well, there. Okay, now, so we can do this without dropping it. There we go. Excellent. And then the bottom one. This one kind of sucks. Okay, now they're all kind of snug by hand. I'm going to take my little tool here, tighten them down. Okay. All right, and then plug her in. Maybe. There it goes. Click. All right, it's all there. All right, let's test it out and see if it works. All right, time to test them out. I'm gonna do the washers first. Yeah. Missed. So far so good. That's high. Alright. Well, alright. So that's a fix. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. And if you got any questions, just leave them down in the comments section. And as always, have a nice day.